Okay, guys, you asked for it. We're at 20 subs, so we're gonna open up the thing. Yes, I did a video on this a long time ago. I do not know where to put this. It is so tiny. I will probably put it in this little bed thing no. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm probably gonna put it in the 50 is 7-Up bottle. Okay, it doesn't fit. Where do I put it on? I'm putting it on the Minecraft person. Alright, it will stay on the Minecraft person forever now. Put the bank back. There you go, guys. My 20 sub on a Minecraft person.